Transitional home design is a sophisticated fusion of classic and contemporary styles, offering a timeless yet modern aesthetic. This design approach seamlessly merges traditional elements such as rich wood finishes, ornate moldings, and classic furniture with sleek, updated touches like clean lines, neutral color palettes, and minimalist accents. The result is a harmonious space that feels both familiar and fresh, making it the perfect choice for homeowners who appreciate the enduring beauty of classic design but desire the practicality and simplicity of modern living. A transitional home typically embraces a neutral color palette, featuring soft shades of white, beige, gray, and taupe. This understated color scheme serves as a serene backdrop, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere. The neutral tones allow the textures of furniture, fabrics, and architectural details to take center stage, highlighting the elegance of the space without overwhelming it. Whether through a cozy sofa, a textured rug, or wooden accents, these subtle hues enhance the beauty of the room while maintaining a timeless appeal. The result is a sophisticated, balanced environment that feels both relaxing and refined. In a transitional home, the furniture strikes a perfect balance between classic elegance and modern simplicity. Classic silhouettes, such as a tufted sofa with timeless button details, are paired with contemporary finishes like sleek, minimalist legs or neutral upholstery. A vintage-style dining table might be complemented by modern, streamlined chairs, creating an intriguing contrast that feels both familiar and fresh. This blend of old and new offers the best of both worlds: comfort and character from traditional design, with the clean lines and functionality of modern pieces. The result is a cohesive and inviting space that feels effortlessly stylish, where every piece enhances the overall harmony of the home. Texture is a key element in transitional design, adding richness and depth to the space. By layering different materials such as wood, glass, metal, and fabric, the design achieves a dynamic and visually engaging atmosphere. Plush rugs underfoot, soft throws draped across sofas, and leather accents on chairs or tables introduce both comfort and sophistication. These varied textures not only enhance the tactile experience, but also help create a cozy, inviting environment that feels warm and refined. The careful balance of materials adds complexity to the room without overwhelming it, making the space feel both luxurious and lived in. In transitional design, accessories are kept minimal and purposeful, focusing on a streamlined, uncluttered aesthetic. Unlike traditional design, which often features elaborate and ornate decor, transitional spaces opt for carefully selected decorative pieces that complement the overall style. These accessories, such as a single statement vase, a subtle piece of artwork, or a simple sculptural object, enhance the space without overpowering it. The goal is to create a balanced and serene environment where each piece serves a purpose and contributes to the room's cohesive, refined feel. This approach ensures that the decor adds interest and personality, while maintaining an air of elegance and simplicity. Statement lighting plays a pivotal role in transitional design, seamlessly blending classic elegance with modern flair. Lighting fixtures such as chandeliers with contemporary finishes or sleek pendant lights that incorporate traditional shapes help bridge the gap between different design elements. These pieces not only provide essential illumination, but also serve as striking focal points within a room, drawing attention without overwhelming the space. Whether it's a crystal chandelier with a polished metal frame or a minimalist pendant light with vintage-inspired details, statement lighting in a transitional home adds both function and beauty, creating a harmonious balance between old-world charm and modern sophistication. Timeless appeal is a design style that never fades with the passing of trends, making it a wise long-term investment for any home. By blending classic elements with subtle modern touches, it creates a look that remains elegant and relevant year after year. This enduring aesthetic ensures that the space stays fresh and appealing, regardless of changing design fads. Whether through timeless furniture, neutral color palettes, or thoughtful details, a home with timeless appeal transcends seasons and trends, offering lasting value and style that will continue to be appreciated for generations to come. The timeless appeal of this style makes it incredibly versatile and adaptable, seamlessly fitting into a wide range of home sizes and layouts. Whether in a cozy apartment, a sprawling suburban house, or a minimalist urban loft, this design approach can be tailored to suit any space. Its balanced blend of classic and contemporary elements allows it to effortlessly adjust to the unique characteristics of a room, enhancing both small, intimate areas and expansive open-plan spaces. The flexibility of this style ensures that it remains functional and stylish, no matter the size or configuration of the home. The perfect balance between tradition and modernity is at the heart of this design style. It combines the warmth and charm of traditional elements such as richwood finishes, intricate details, and classic furnishings with the sleek, clean lines of modern aesthetics. This fusion creates a harmonious environment that feels both inviting and refined. The traditional components provide a sense of comfort and history, while the modern touches introduce a sense of freshness and simplicity. The result is a space that feels timeless, offering the best of both worlds, the cozy, familiar warmth of tradition with the effortless sophistication of contemporary design. Transitional home design is the perfect choice for those who value the beauty of both classic and contemporary styles. By thoughtfully curating furniture, color schemes, and accessories, you can craft a space that feels both sophisticated and inviting, with a seamless flow between old-world charm and modern simplicity. This design approach allows you to blend the elegance of traditional elements with the clean, crisp lines of modern aesthetics, creating an effortlessly stylish environment. Whether you're redesigning an existing space or starting from scratch, incorporating transitional elements ensures your home will have a timeless appeal that feels both fresh and enduring for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.